Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already watched the video on scrapbook base making. Now let's decorate the pages. So first I will be decorating the cover page. It's going to be very simple. I am sticking this printed cardstock paper with the help of double-sided tape over the cover page. It's always good to use double-sided tape, especially on the cover page, instead of white glue to avoid messiness. The size of the cardstock paper is little less than the cover page size so that we get golden borders. Now I am taking this sticker pack and selecting this big sticker, and I am attaching towards the center. The corners are not very strong because the paper is thin over there, so I am attaching crystal stickers on the borders. I am attaching a piece of printed cardstock paper on the side also. This page I got along with the paper pack. I will be cutting some designs from this page for decoration. I just attach washi tapes on the borders also. I am pasting some elements on the second page. And these are handwritten quotes on a cardstock paper, just cutting and pasting it. That's a very cheap option for stickers. Finally, washi tapes along the borders. This blank page I am covering with a thick paper which I got from the cover of a sticker. So you can always go for cheap options like this. Just make sure that it's matching. The elements I am using here are bought from an online website, Itsy Bitsy, at a discounted price. Finally, I am covering the blank areas with washi tapes. I am using this brown paper piece from a grocery shop, another cheap option for scrapbooking. Finally, finishing the look with the handwritten quotes and elements. I am using this butterfly element because I have butterflies on the left side also. Theme of my scrapbook is sisters, and it's dedicated to my two sisters. A picture will be pasted on the right side. Take a small piece of cardstock paper, attach double-sided tapes on three ends, leaving one end free, so that a pocket can be created. I am using this tag shaped element also here. If you don't have such a one, you can use tags of new clothes. Cover it with colored paper and use. These are deco stickers. I am just peeling and pasting it. Finally, covering the blank spaces with washi tapes. I have written a beautiful quote on the tag, and I am inserting the tag into the pocket. This is actually cover of a prime chipboard I bought. I am adding the same pattern paper to create a matching element. So I am utilizing whatever raw material available to me. Now I am pasting brown washi tapes and green washi tapes so that it matches the background. Finally, adding this handwritten quote, cute. I am covering this blank area with cardstock paper. Make sure that you are not attaching the cardstock paper into the folding. Keep it away from the folding as shown. I am using double-sided tape to attach the page. I am pasting this brown cardstock paper along with these elements. I am also attaching these 3 brown cardstock paper hearts on the right-sided page. Finally, adding some handwritten quotes. Take a 6 into 6 inch cardstock paper, divide it into 2 halves and fold it like this. Attach it on the left side of the page, away from the folding again. I am attaching these deco stickers on the left sided page over the blank area. I am adding these crystal stickers. This pink color cardstock sheet I am attaching on the right side page, and I am creating a matching element on the left side also with strips of the same paper. I am adding these elements on the right side of page. These pattern papers are attached here. These 2 spaces are intended for 2 photos. I am attaching this handwritten quote here, and I will be pasting 2 photos on this page.